Today I will be building my Trackmaster 1 tracks.
First I am going to build Toby in the Whistling Woods.
These are all the pieces I need. Let's start building.
Next I will be building Thomas's Snowstorm Adventure.
Here's all the parts. Let's start building. This set comes with Snowplow Thomas and the plow can be taken off. I will turn him on.
Next I will be doing the Shake Shake Bridge for Misty Island Rescue the movie. It was made in 2010.
I have all the parts. Let's get building. Even though Thomas came with the set, I'm going to use Bash, Dash, and Ferdinand instead because they are from Misty Island. Bash will go around the track first. Bash's twin Dash will go next. Ferdinand will go last. Okay, that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, bye.